Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! For today's video, I will teach you how to save Instagram Reels in your gallery. Let's go! The first thing that we have to do is, of course, open up our Instagram application. And from here, you will see the option to open your camera. That's the first way you can do this. Just by opening your camera, it will open up your story. You also have the option to post a reel. So you just have to go to Reels and then go to the settings by clicking on this option at the top left corner. So here we have our camera settings. You just have to click on Reels and then you will get the option of save Reels to your device automatically. This simply means that your Reels will be saved when you publish them. So you just have to enable this option and it will allow you to save your Reels on your camera. So this is for the future Reels that you want to make. Let's say I have one already posted. I'll just go to my profile right here and I will just open up the Reels. And let's say that I want to save this reel to my camera. So just click on these three dots, then click on save, and then this reel will be saved to my camera roll. That's actually it. Pretty easy. That is how we save an Instagram reel to your gallery.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.